Hello friends, welcome to the very first episode of our channel Yellow Car Diaries. In this vlog, we begin our journey from the lush green Vythiri Tea Garden, soaking in the beauty of endless plantations and peaceful surroundings. On the way, we saw the Banasura Hills. These hills are tall, misty and really stunning. They are part of the Western Ghats and looks amazing when covered in clouds. As we continued our journey, the weather changed. The sky turned cloudy and there was a light drizzle. Everything looked calm, quiet and beautiful, like a painting coming to life. Just nearby is the Banasura Dam. It's the biggest earthen dam in India. People come here not just for the dam, but to enjoy the peaceful views and the mountains all around. This was our very first visit to Wayanad, and honestly, it felt like stepping into a dream. The roads of Wayanad are truly special. As we drive through, we see tall trees on both sides, mist in the air, and green hills all around. Every turn feels peaceful and full of nature's beauty. The cool breeze, the smell of tea leaves and the calm all around made us feel relaxed instantly. And finally, we reached Serenity Resort. It's quiet, surrounded by nature, and the perfect place to relax after a long journey. In our next video, we'll explore the resort and the nearby spots. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Hope you liked the video. We'll be coming up with many such videos. So please like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video. Bye bye.